square root of 7 times square root of 7. We're going to use the property of radicals. Anytime we have the same root and multiplication, we're supposed to write one radical sign and simply multiply 7 times 7. Okay? I'm going to have square root of 49. Square root of 49 is equal 7. Let's take a look at another example. We have cube root of 27 times negative 8. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to again use the properties of radicals, and I'm going to use cube root of 27, because I have multiplication, I can do that, times cube root of negative 8. Okay, cube root of 27 is 3 times cube root of negative 8 is negative 2. 3 times negative 2 is equal negative 6. This is the solution to this problem. Next one, I have cube root of negative 8. Okay, first you have to realize that 8, negative 8, is in absolute value bars. Okay, these two bars represent absolute value. Absolute value of negative 8 is always 8. Okay, absolute value of negative number is going to give me always positive value. So I'm going to have cube root of 8. Okay, so cube root of 8 is equal 2. This is the solution to my problem. Cube root of 4 times cube root of 4 times cube root of 4. Okay, so this is nothing else than 4 to power 1/3 times 4 to power 1/3 times 4 to power 1/3. Okay, I have the same base. I have to keep the base and add exponents. So I have the same common denominator. I simply add the numerator. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That's why I'm going to have 3 over 3. So this is 4. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Answer is 4. This is the solution to my problem.